Two batteries, 48 volts a piece. There's four of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a Growatt, 3000 watt. It's running at 48 volts input, 21% load. Let's see, it's drawing 2 amps from the battery. The input is 84 volts from the solar panels and 592 watts from the solar panels. And we're sending 600 watts out, 660 watts out. 660, 670, 660, 670. So we're not creating enough solar. It's drawing some from the batteries. But that power is running that. It's running all that electricity. It's also running through that cord right here all the way out here, into this little 12, not even, I don't even 14 gauge maybe wire. It's running all the way here. It's running all the way here. It's going to change over to another. There's got to be like, I don't know, well over 100 feet of wire. The wrong wire goes in the back of the camper, and it's running that air conditioner. And it's actually cool in here. Mostly running on solar. If I had more solar panels, I could probably run it 100% during the day.